Hello everyone, welcome to CDI Lighthouse Project Season 2 Graph Convolution Networks. Today we're going to discuss about graph building, a graph video series on graph building blocks using Neo4j. Myself Manoj Kumar.
Today we're going to discuss about how to create properties with the nodes. So let's go and see. So here I'm creating a two nodes. So it's a two-person. So I have given their names and their age, where they're staying. So let's go and create this and see this. So two nodes has been created. So you can see. So Bob, the person name is Bob. Name and the city where he's living is Italy and age is 30. So similarly goes with the Alice as well. So how we gonna connect these two? So whether we can make a properties with connections as well or not. So we can do that. So let's see how we can connect these as well. So for that to establish the connection between these two people, so we're gonna create a couple of nodes as well. So because what they actually were doing or else something. So here I'm creating two more nodes, like a product, some of the products, like one's name is car and the other name is biryani. So like food and a car. So let's go and see created. So we have created now. So limit 25 means so when you execute a query like this, it will show only up to 25 nodes. So apart from there, if there are 26 nodes, it will show only 25. The other node will be cut off and you won't see the full graph. So run like this. So n means number of, so you can see all the nodes that you have created here. If you put any limit, so that's the limitation. If you want to see like that. So here car. So to see the car, so it has a brand name Ferrari and the price is 4 million euros. But if you go to the Biryani, so you can see multiple things. Okay, so these are all the properties for the Biryani. It's all its properties and car it's his properties and for the Bob his property and Alice her properties. So properties means what you are giving there. Like it doesn't mean only we have to give in these like a name, cities or age. You can write whatever you wanna give in the property, yeah, those details. So if you wanna for a car, if you want to write like a engine model number, tires, tire designs, or car color, you can write a number of. There isn't like this only you have to write like this or there isn't any limitations or any conditions. You can write how many you want or like whatever you want to look like in there. So this is how you're gonna add your properties for the node. So let's start the connection. So how we're gonna connect them. Okay. So I'm gonna write a code here. So here I'm connecting these all these nodes. So for this you need to be make sure that how you are connecting like so or person want to product to. So where the connection from where to? If you misplace any of the variable here, the connection will be completely mess. So we have to be very careful. So from where to where you are connecting. So let's run this as well. And here I'm gonna tell you one more thing. So if you are creating like this, executing queries multiple times with the create word, it will create a multiple nodes, like you can see here. So we got everything extra. So when you are using a create, you should use you should use all the query have to run at one time. We should not run each and every time. Otherwise, it will create multiple duplicate nodes. So let's delete all this. So all the nodes and relations, everything is deleted. Now let's create. So I'm just running all the queries in one section. Otherwise, it will give you a multiple nodes and wrong connections and everything is wrong. So now we deleted everything. So this, I mean, these and all everything will be there because unless you close the book here, otherwise you can see it continuously. But if you run it, it won't show you anything, any results. So just run it. Now see, we have only 4 nodes here got created and 6 connections. Earlier it was a double everything. So make sure when you are using a create word, you have to run everything at once because if you are running everything separately, it will create, there is a high chance of creating duplicate nodes or connections. I won't say it won't create, but it will. Most probably it will create duplicates. Or if you use some particular precise connection, it won't create. Otherwise, mostly it will create the duplicates. So to avoid that, when we're using create word, run all the all the comments in one query. Now let's see. So now here we can see. So car. So to Alice. So this is a surprise. So here you can see this connection has a property as well. Surprise. So Bob want to surprise Alice on her birthday. So Bob want to surprise. So he purchased. Okay. So Bob purchased car and car surprise to Alice. Alice cooked biryani and its favorite food for Bob. Okay. So here cousin sister. Both are cousins. So this is how you can create nodes with the properties.
Thanks for watching the video.